Okay, I am still in my 9 lines drawing here. Notice we're at 9 lines. I'm going to go ahead and make instead of having my construction line uh, layer active, I'm going to activate my object line. So that way I'm going to be drawing on top. I'm going to draw object lines now on top of these views to create block number 1. So before we go any further, though, I want to change this file name, and I want to save this as a different file name. So I'm going to go over here. I don't want to hit the save button because it would make changes to this particular document as well. I want to create a new document. So I'm going to go, instead of hitting file save, I'm going to go file save as. That way it'll create a whole new document for me. Notice here it comes up. So in this case, I'm going to name this document uh, Block 1 Orthographic, because this is going to be our orthographic projection for Block 1. So, and again, use the hyphen first and last and click Save. Now, notice up above here, it will change. So we are in 9 lines. Okay, it says file name already exists, so just go ahead and we'll create a copy. I've got that. I've done this so many times it comes up several ones going through. So notice now it changed this to Block 1 Orthographic first and last, and I get this conflicted copy because I've got one in there already. If this is your first time doing it, you won't have that. All right. I'm in my object line, and I'm going to create my draw tool. Now, again, to do this, I'm going to use my object snaps. So I'm going to go back, and we've got endpoint and intersection checked, and that's good. That's good enough for right now for what we need. So we'll go ahead with our line tool, and now I'm just going to draw the lines for that block. So we'll come in, so select the point. So, and we know now that all of these construction lines are represented by our block. So, all right, so we're just going back over our construction lines to get our actual object lines in. Once I have place, right click, confirm to get out. Now, if I want to, I can go back over and move my mouse to here. But sometimes that's not real efficient too, especially if I'm working on this side. It's a long ways for me to go back over to there to click it. So there's a faster, more efficient way to do it. So if I'm over here, I can just right click, hit repeat last command. So now we'll bring the line tool again up again because that's what I was drawing in last. So now I'm doing my side view and I go back to each of these points. So, and we'll click. So again, I'm just left clicking once it snaps into those places. Right click and confirm to get out of it. Now I need to do the top view, which is going to be this right up here. So we'll go repeat the last command. That was a right click, repeat last command. Pick up on the snaps, on the object snaps. Move over. So draw these lines. Complete the rectangle, and of course, right click confirm to get out. So now I've got my object lines for this 6 by 3 by 1.5 inch block done. So I'm going to go back over here to my layers, and notice I can turn the layers on and off. So I'm going to click this light bulb under construction line, and the construction lines are disappear. They're basically turned off so you can't see them. And I am left only with my object lines, which is what I want. So now I can go ahead and I've saved this, so we'll just resave it. And you can then go ahead and submit Block 1 Orthographic drawing.